Welcome back to the channel. We're getting ready for another adventure. This weekend we're going to be going up the Upper Peninsula. Going to be leaving right after work on Friday. So there's a couple things I want to check on the trailer. I'm going to take a look at that. There's a few things in the garage I want to get loaded up. I don't want to waste no time Friday night after work trying to load. I want to just hook up and haul out. So let me get started on this. Alright, so I just gave him a spin, gave him a feel for any wobble or looseness. I just restored this trailer and repacked and assembled this trailer not very long ago. But we have taken 2 trips with it. So we got a few miles on it and I just wanted to make sure everything feels solid. They spun nice, feel like they're rolling good. I think they're going to be good to go. So I need to pack some things up and then we'll be ready to roll. Alright, so we got everything loaded up, got out of the house, got on the road. We ran into a construction zone that slowed us down a long ways, so we know we're going to get to our campsite on the north side of the Mackinac Bridge on the Upper Peninsula after dark. So not going to be doing much video tonight, so we might get a little bit while we're crossing the bridge. Otherwise, we'll see you in the morning. Good morning. We are at the Straits State Park Campground. It's right on the north edge of the Mackinac Bridge. We like to stay here. It's a nice campground. It can get a little crowded sometimes, but it's a nice point of layover for when we're heading up to the UP for the weekend. Get out of work, we make it this far, spend the night, eat some breakfast, get showers, whatever, and then we're gonna head north from here. So follow along.
This stuff can go back there.
Got the tent packed up, gonna get the trailer hooked up to the Jeep, and we're just getting these last few things packed, and we're gonna head up toward Whitefish Point. Alright, we are driving up toward Whitefish. We're in the Prominent Falls area, and just pop back out along the lake shore. This is Lake Superior. Alright, we are at Whitefish Point along with seemingly everybody else, and we're gonna walk up to the Shipwreck Museum and go check that out. But we had to park back a little ways down the road in an open parking lot because there's a lot of people here. There's a lot of parking up there all taken, so we've got a short walk to get up there and we'll see what this is like. So we walked through all the buildings that we can of Whitefish Point Museum. Used to be a water rescue site, now is more modern, or I should say then it was taken over by what became the new Coast Guard, and now that's been abandoned as well and is now a museum. But as you can see, the boardwalk we're on, I'll turn around in a second and give you a better view, but they built this boardwalk that goes out to the actual Whitefish Point, out into Lake Superior. So we're gonna walk out there and get a nice view of the lake and walk on the beach a little bit. Alright, we are at the mouth of the Two-Hearted. It's pretty cool here. Not quite what we expected. There's a whole campground right over there. But this part is pretty. We're just crossing this footbridge, so we're gonna go see what's out on that strip of sand island out here. This is pretty cool though, but you can have a look down there. This would be Lake Superior. so we checked out the beach here at the mouth of the Two-Hearted. It's pretty cool here. Big beach. You see there's several people here. They're looking for rocks, and I had no clue what they're looking for. So we asked somebody, and the one lady said they're looking for agates. I'm not sure what exactly an agate looks like, but we had no idea. We just seen a lot of people picking up rocks and didn't know why, other than they look pretty. So we're going to head out of here and go try to find somewhere to camp, and then maybe get some dinner. We are at another campground. I don't know how you pronounce this. Either Brevert or Brevert campground up in the Upper Peninsula. Nice, spacious, wooded campsites. You can see the next campsite over there, but for being a campground, we're gonna take it. It's not as bad as a lot of them we've been to. So, we're gonna get the tent set up. Lisa's gonna start cooking dinner, and we'll see what she's going to be making. Alright, while I'm getting this tent set up, Lisa started cooking. She got some andouille sausage going on, cutting up some peppers. Looks like some broccolini over there.
And some shrimp.
And shrimp. Peppers, broccolini, shrimp, andouille sausage. Oh, it's going to be good.
Which I will use after I get done playing in them.
Alright, you guys see this. This has not even got the shrimp in it and it already looks awesome. Yeah, that's gonna be good. What's this called, honey?
I have no idea. Food.
Dinner.
Not that one.
Oh, man down, man down. The campground charged us $7 for wet wood. It took quite a bit to get this one going, but we have a fire. Good morning. It's Sunday morning. We're tired. That's up pretty good though.
Yeah.
We had planned on getting up and making breakfast, but sitting around the fire last night, we decided that just to rather save some time and save some cleanup, because there's a stop we want to have time to make on our way home to see some friends. We're just gonna get our stuff packed up, go into St. Ignace to a restaurant there and grab some breakfast on the way, and continue on. We've got some friends that have property, what we would call up north from home, but it's between here and home. So on the way we want to stop and visit them a little bit. So we're going to pack things up and get on the road. Alright, so we've crossed the Mackinac Bridge. We went northbound. We drove along the shores of Lake Huron. We showed you, I think we showed them, we drove along the shores of Lake Superior, and excuse me, now we're heading back toward home, being Sunday morning, and we'll show you, we're driving along the shores of Lake Michigan, heading back to the Mackinac Bridge. Stopped and visited our friends, saw their property, and talked to them for a bit, and just not too far, we're less than an hour from home, so I'm going to wrap this up. Another great weekend. We love going to the UP. It was cool seeing Whitefish Point the first time. It was cool to go to the mouth of the Two-Hearted for the first time. Saw 3 of the Great Lakes, crossed the bridge, Mackinac Bridge a couple times. Good weekend. Yeah?
Yes.
Alright, so we're going to wrap this one up. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.